Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the phone and opening settings. Make sure battery is safe and you're on the home screen, then tap Settings and search for Lock Screen. You need to know the Oxygen OS version because menus differ slightly. Check About Phone quickly. Once done, go into Lock Screen settings and look for the magazine or news option listed there. This direct start avoids distractions and gets you to the control that toggles the Lock Screen magazine feature. You now remove the magazine by finding the exact toggle. In Lock Screen settings, tap Lock Screen Magazine or Personalization. If you see Magazine, open it. Flip the main toggle off and accept any confirmation. This stops automatic image and article updates. Make sure to also turn off recommended content, online content, or news permissions inside that same area so ads and suggestions won't return. Once those toggles are off, you finish by ensuring changes stick. Clear recent apps and restart the phone so the system reloads without the magazine. If you still see content, inspect the Home app or launcher permissions and disable any lock screen overlays or widgets. As a last resort, reset lock screen settings or install the latest Oxygen OS update. System bugs sometimes re-enable features. If nothing helps, back up settings and perform a settings reset. That resolve usually clears persistent magazine content and restores expected lock screen behavior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.